Hello children, how are you? In last lecture, I explained you how to draw the concave and convex lens. In this lecture, I am going to explain you images formed by convex and concave lens. Okay, so you can see here I have drawn here six different pictures of convex lens. Okay, so let's start from first. Here it is mentioned that when object is in infinity, the meaning of infinity is it is far away, too far. Okay, you can just say that sun is too far here if you want to take the image of sun. Okay, it is infinite distance. So how image will be formed? So at that time rays will come parallel to principal axis like this way. Rays will come like this way. Okay. After coming here, okay, it will be pass through the focus in another side and image will form in focal point. Is it clear? This image will be smaller than object, means very diminished point size, and real and inverted. Okay, real means vastovik, inverted means negative. Is it clear? Ulta. This is the first situation. In second one, when object is beyond of 2f1, means when object is beyond center of curvature here. Okay, so in that condition one ray will be parallel to principal axis like this way, and then it will be passed through the f2, and second one it will pass through the optical center and make the image in another side between f1 and f2. Again this will be real and inverted and smaller than object. Okay, next one, when object is at 2f, means exact here, at that time you see the image. So one line will be passed from here, okay, parallel to principal axis and pass through the focus, and another line it will be passed through the optical center. Okay, and in this situation image will be framed in 2f2, and here its size will be equal to the object. It is little difficult to draw like this way, so you can use here one trick. Whatever measure you take here, the same measure you make first of all, and then draw this rays so it become appropriate. This is the trick which you have to use when you draw the figure, and again here it is equal to this object, and inverted and real image you will get. Next, again when object is between 2f1 and f1, means here, okay, same situation, parallel and then passes through the f2, okay, and second one from optical center like this way, and it will be beyond 2f2, larger than object, real and inverted. Is it clear? Next, when object is exact at f1 here, then parallel to principal axis and then passes to focus, and next one from optical center, and very far and large, too big image you will get, and bigger than object, again real and inverted. So when object is at infinity, object is beyond 2f, object is at 2f1, object is between 2f1 and f1, and when object is at f1, in all five condition, okay, object will be real and inverted, वास्तविक होगा और object से उल्टा दिखाई देगा. Condition is only that here image will be in smaller, very point size, here smaller than object, here image exact equal to object, here image larger than object, and here too large than object. Now see this last situation, which is most important, okay, because it is little different than all these five. If object is between F and O, means between F1 and optical center, so in that condition ray will be passed parallel and then to focus, and second it will be passed through the optical center. If you will increase in another side, then they will meet beyond 2f in this side, and when you will draw it, okay, image will be framed in the same side of the lens. लेंस के इसी साइड में बनेगा. यहाँ पे आप लोग देख रहे थे whatever images has framed in the another side of the lens, लेंस के दूसरी तरफ बना है, while here the same side of the lens, लेंस के इसी तरफ बना है. First thing is that. Second thing, it is larger than object, object से बड़ा है, but it is it is not inverted, it is erect, सीधा है, okay, and virtual, आभासी है, means all these images, these five images, you can see or you can observe in the screen. This will you are not able to observe in screen, means आप બધા જ screen માં ઝીલાશે, આ screen માં ઝીલાશે નહીં, because this is virtual. The meaning of virtual is abhasi. You feel, but it is not like that. Is it clear? So like this way we have draw here the images of convex lenses. Is it clear? Now all these things I have given in the PDF in detail with table and everything, so you understand there. Try to understand this one properly and draw the image your own and do a lot of practice, then you will be perfect in this. Is it clear? So now I am going to show you image frame by concave lens. Okay. Now see here, we are going to understand the image formed by concave lens. Okay. Now two position I have shown you here. The first position when object is at infinity, बहुत दूर होगा, then what will be situation, and second when object beyond 2f1, from here to between f1 and o till here. Okay, wherever object has kept, then what will be the situation, how what kind of image you will get. Okay, now see, if object is at infinity, definitely here also ray will come parallel. Okay, and when actually it is a divergent, but when you extend it in backside, it will seem to appear on focus, but if you will extend like this way, it will be moved like this way, means these rays are actually coming like this way and extending, फैल रही हैं, because इसका काम फैलाना है. Is it clear? And similarly it is coming from here like this way, parallel to principal focus, and going like this way. Okay, but when you extend in back side, it appear to meet in focus. And how image will be? This image will your virtual image आभासी होगी and erect सीधी होगी and smaller than object से एकदम छोटी होगी, point size में होगी. Is it clear? And now next one, if object is anywhere, यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी अगर object होगा तो same situation. Suppose object is here, okay, and definitely line will pass like this way parallel, and sorry, it is not appropriate, so this is okay, and after that definitely it will divert like this way, but when it will be, yes, so it will be moved like this way from here and it will go this way, but when you extend in back side, you see that it will be appear at focus. And second, it is passed through the optical center, and you know I told you earlier, whatever rays is coming from the optical center, it is going, and in that condition image will be framed between F1 and O, and it is again virtual image, smaller than object and erect सीधी होगी, and wherever you will frame here, each and every condition image will be framed here only, and the same situation, and that's why we have not drawn this 5 different figures. Is it clear? Same figure will become, okay, so that is the basic difference between the image created by the concave lens and convex lens. Is it clear? This is the concave lens, and earlier you studied that, and this all in detail I gave in the PDF. You study that and try to understand, and here we have completed this topic, and after this one only 2 things has remained. One is the lens formula. Okay, and I will definitely there do the comparative study with you. What is the basic difference between the mirror formula and lens formula? First thing is that, and second thing, okay, we will try to understand what is the power of lens, and third one, whatever remain sums are there, that I will explain you, and like that way that will be our last lecture, means 13 lecture. Now children, you can understood how much difficult it is to explain one chapter like this way. Is it clear? अगर हम स्कूल में क्लास में होते थे तो शायद ये 3 से 4 लेक्चर में खत्म होता था, but when we are making the videos, because very minute things we have to explain here, वहाँ पर तो हमारा लाइव सेशन चलता था तो इजीली सारी चीजें मैं आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन कर देता था, but here some barriers are there. You understood that barriers, but don't make overcome, बराबर है, उस बैरियर को अपने ऊपर ओवरकम होने मत दीजिए, उस बैरियर को तोड़िए, इसको डीपली स्टडी कीजिए, so you will be understand all this concept better way, and in next whenever next video will come, and that will be your last video of this chapter. Okay, so here I am completing this chapter, and again we will meet in next session. Okay, bye.